Good afternoon, everyone. This is Brad Matheny. Today's the 11th of June. If you have not been following my research, this is kind of an update related to the SPY and the current trending. I wanted to point out that we are moving very cleanly into an uptrend that may attempt to break, and I'm going to show you here, may attempt to break, above, come on, there we go, above this middle channel right here, this dotted line, after we've now closed above this previous high level. We've waffled around a couple of days last week. We've gotten our Monday, Tuesday here, very strong upward trending, as you can see, and we are about to break out to new highs. Now, tomorrow, my pattern research suggests that we're going to see a top pattern. A top pattern is normally, I'm going to go down to a 15-minute chart here and try to auto scale. A top pattern is normally a move higher, setting up a peak. So you can see how we've got that dash line there. So I'm kind of expecting here a move higher, possibly up into this area throughout the day, and then a roll back down into consolidation. I do believe that we're going to see a fairly strong move tomorrow. I do believe that we're going to see probably this is really just minor, 0.75%, no big deal, up into this 539 area. Ultimately, guys, and I'm going to show you this, ultimately, I believe that we're going to see the SPY move up into the 555 to 565 area. Let me get rid of these and understand that I really do believe that we're going to see the SPY continue to melt upward up into this area here. So be aware that we have a very strong trend right now. The US dollar strength continues with the dollar above 105. Crude oil is weakening a bit. I think we're going to be moving into a cycle that's going to prompt a breakout above this level, moving up to this level, consolidating, and then moving up to this level into this mid-June, possibly flagging a bit before we see some breakdown out in the end of July, early August. So now understand that from my perspective, and this is drawn a little inappropriately, I'll do it again, struggling over the next couple of days to get above this level, which will prompt a move to here, consolidating a bit, possibly prompting a move up into here, consolidating a bit, moving down, moving up into a flagging formation, apexing back out here, and potentially moving downward into end of July, early August. So this gives us a very good indication right now that this lower support level is critical, this green level here. In fact, let's move these up to where they should be, up to our current high. And then we will move this up to where it needs to be right here for our support level. This is our critical support level. And then we have to move this one up to our current high. And we then move this support level where we need to, which is right here. We have this inner one I will get rid of. And again, there's our critical support on the SPY. So again, roughly 515, 516 on the lower level and 525, 526 on the upper level. As long as we stay above this upper level, moving forward, it looks like we're going to see a move up into the 560, 570 area, potentially flagging out up near this upper channel. Be aware, guys, that this is very likely to happen moving into Q2 earnings. At this point, the economy is fairly strong. You can see the data with regards to these channels. Breaking above this dotted line here will indicate that we're moving up into a higher channel and wave C will extend. Wave C could very easily extend up into, I think that's what I want. Yep. Up into this area, which would be, see if I can get to that. Come on. Okay, let's try it through the layers. Object tree, text. Which one is it? Which one is it? Once I get to it, it should highlight. Text, 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 text. Well, okay, let me try to get it this way. There we go. Okay, back to here. So again, the upper range of the wave 3, assuming where we're at here with a wave B, counting this as a lowercase I, counting this as a lowercase 2, counting this as a upper I, gives us the ability to see quite a bit of upward activity to the wave expansion on wave C. So understand that this is a very solid move. Wave C should be bigger than wave 1. So again, just doing simple math from here to here suggests that we could see a wave C easily moving up here to 608. I'll leave this here. Roughly 608 would be our objective given a full 100% expansion here. So if this is wave A, major B, moving up here to major C. If this is a 1, 2, 3 move, then this move must move above this 608 area. And that then means that we are looking at an objective here. Come here. An objective up here, a flagging formation more so along this area and this area, given these lows. And that gives us a real opportunity here for a pretty big move up into this area before we see some sort of a breakdown. So be aware that the long-term structure here of the chart is showing a very predominant uptrend. And it's showing a very predominant uptrend that I think is going to carry through into July and part of August, possibly moving upwards of, doing a quick math here, maybe 11 to 12% or higher. And again, this move here, if this is correct, and this is a C or a 3, then we have to get above this 608, 609 area, up into this area, 620, 630, 640, before we're going to see the end of this wave 3. And this wave 3 could actually expand, way up here. We could expand way up into this mode very easily on an expansive growth phase. Now, the Fed does not want to disrupt the market right before an election. The Fed is going to probably stay very cautious, maybe indicate that by the end of the year, early next year, they may have to make a move, but they're probably going to stay moderately dovish. In other words, they don't want to make a move. They don't want to really do anything to disrupt the market. They're going to basically just let this play out. and let the elections take place without trying to disrupt the markets unless something serious happens. And that means that I think we're going to see this major melt up. So the two areas of primary concern that I would have with regards to a top are here in the 608, 609 area, and then up here in the 675 area. Beyond that, we need to watch this support level and this support level right now are critical. So understand we come back over here, this support level right here, draw this out, draw this out. These are the two areas on the SPY that you must learn to understand as primary protection. That we have 525, 526, and 516 roughly. Those are our primary levels right now for protection in this upward trend. If we get below this 526 area, then I would start to have concerns for a broader pullback. If we get below this 516 area, then essentially we go into a moderate neutral trend until we see any major pullback below these levels. Right now, we're in a solid uptrend. Okay, it is going to go up. That's just the way that it is. Okay, guys, talk to you later.